Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is two rocks against two rocks, but white is winning. White can win this game. So as always guys, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, it's white to play and win, and these rocks are hanging, right? They are seeing each other and the position looks messy. So the first thing you may probably play is give a check by playing rook to b8, but this move don't work because you wouldn't have any follow-up after this, right? So this is not possible, and if you play a move like this, black would escape, and now black is escaped. You can't deliver a checkmate after this, right? You may probably play here, but black is going to defend the rook, and after this you don't have any chance, right? You may probably capture this. Black will capture back with the rook, and this is simply a draw, right? So that is not the solution of the puzzle. So the other thing you may probably play is capturing it with the rook, but that leaves you with only one rook, and black would have a rook, and again you wouldn't win this, right? So capturing with this rook is similar, right? It's going to be rook versus rook, and you can't do anything, right? Black eventually get away, and you can't win this. So all of these are not the correct solution. The best move is to play rook to b4, just making these kinds of position. All the four rocks are concentrated on the edge center area, right? On a4, b4, b5 and a5. So here black has a couple of moves to try, but all of them leads to losing. First, if black captures with one of these rock, black would end up in checkmate, right? So black cannot capture this because black would lose the other rook, and that would be checkmate. And if black captures the other, we simply capture this, and this is once again checkmate. So what can black do? Well, black can move the rook to a6, but we can play rook b5 to b8 check, and on the next move rook b4 to b7 is checkmate. So what can black do? Black can move to a7, but rook to b8 is simply checkmate, straight checkmate, so that wouldn't save black. How about moving this rook like this? So what should we do now? Well, we can play rook to b8 check, and rook b4 to b7 check, and now we can play rook to a8, right? So the rook on b7 is defended by the king, and this is another checkmate. So black can't move the rook to this direction either. How about moving the king? Well, this is going to be another checkmate. Black can escape like this as well, but this is going to be the same thing. We are going to deliver checkmate on a8. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found all of this, congratulations. Actually, the hardest move to find is rook to b4. After that, everything is going to be automatic and easy. Black is just in under pressure. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.